Welcome to the Georgia Highlands College Chemistry Podcast. In this podcast, we're going to be discussing oxidation numbers. So what is an oxidation number? The oxidation number represents the charge that an atom would have if electrons were transferred completely to the atom with the greater attraction for them in this given situation. These oxidation numbers can be used to predict the ratio by which atoms will combine when they form compounds. So let's learn a little bit about oxidation numbers. How do we assign these oxidation numbers? The oxidation number of any free uncombined element is 0. This means that any atom, any pure atom, will have a 0 oxidation number. The oxidation number of an element in a simple monatomic ion is the charge on the ion. For example, sodium ion has a +1 charge. The chloride ion a -1 charge. In the formula for any compound, the sum of the oxidation number are 0. Therefore, all compounds are neutral. In a polyatomic ion, for example, the phosphate ion, the sum of the oxidation numbers of the constituent elements is equal to the charge on the ion. The phosphate ion has a -3 charge, we can remember. We can use the periodic table to help us understand oxidation numbers. Hydrogen in the combined form has a +1 oxidation number. Oxygen a -2 oxidation number. Group 1A elements +1. Group 2A elements +2. Group 3A +3. Group 7A -1. Group 6A -2. And Group 5A elements have a -3 oxidation number. Now let's apply this to a formula. Phosphoric acid, H3PO4. We know that each hydrogen ion in phosphoric acid has a +1 charge. Each oxide ion has a -2 charge. Therefore, for this to be a neutral molecule, the phosphorus would have to have a +5 oxidation number. In nitric acid, HNO3, the hydrogen has a +1 oxidation number. The oxygen, a -2 oxidation number. So therefore, for this to be a neutral molecule, nitrogen would have to be a +5 oxidation number. So how do we go from the name of a compound to a chemical formula? The name, sodium oxide. We know sodium has a +1 oxidation number, oxygen a -2 oxidation number. Therefore, to have a neutral molecule, we would have to have 2 sodium ions for every oxygen ion. So Na2O would be the proper formula for sodium oxide. Magnesium phosphate. We know that magnesium has a +2 oxidation number. Phosphate has a 3- oxidation number. So therefore, to have a neutral molecule, we would have to have 3 magnesium ions and 2 phosphate ions. So Mg3PO4 2. In iron 3 chloride, iron 3 has an oxidation number of +3. The chloride ion a -1. Therefore, we need 3 chloride ions to neutralize the +3 charge that the iron 3 ion has to have a neutral molecule. Thank you for listening to this Georgia Highlands College Chemistry Podcast. I look forward to seeing you at our next episode.